Okay guys, finally gonna build a professional portfolio website. After visit this website, you're gonna fall in love with this and you're gonna subscribe to my channel. We're gonna build this website step by step. Oops, sorry guys. Actually in this video, I'm not gonna build this app right now due to lack of time. I already built it and for now, I'm just sharing with you that if you know React, then you can build this professional modern portfolio website by yourselves. All the code and resources in my GitHub repository. Let's see what we have in this website. I already deployed this app in a server. So if you search shahanmedic.netlify.app, you're gonna find this beautiful website. Wow, seriously? That's actually amazing. So next. Wow, nice animation. We have our service and what next? Yeah, we have a FAQ sections. Let's see what type of question is there. So how do we believe in you that go to our work page. Wow, beautiful animation. I love it. Okay, what do we have in there? Study less, study smart. Cool. If I click, what is there? Study less, study smart by finding different path. The secret of success is to do the common things uncommonly well. John Dr. Rockefeller. Oh really? I want to apply this in my life. Cool. Let's see how we can contact our customer. Okay, here if we click the contact button, it navigates to email. Wow, that means we can receive emails from our customers. To be honest, it's very helpful for developers. You can save this website into CB and show it to your boss. That's very helpful. So finally, how you can clone it on your own local computer and play around with it. To do this, we need to clone my GitHub repository. Just copy this HTTPS link like this, and you should have a code editor. I am using VS Code. In this VS Code, go to the terminal and type git clone and paste this link. Install. That's it. We have all source code and files on our. So, what do you think about this website? Let me know in the comment section, and if you get stuck, you can also ask me any questions. For now, I have to go. Have a quick